What's up, everybody? So 8 years ago, I joined Razorfish in part because their organizing principle, everything that can be digital will be. It reflected my infinite curiosity about technology, and it clearly captured my imagination. Now, I hit the Wayback button on the LinkedIn machine this afternoon, and I came across a blog post I wrote on November 22nd, 2017, titled, "Regarding AI, Mark Cuban was absolutely right about thinking critically and creatively," which obviously, as someone who studied classics and philosophy, I'm biased a bit here, but I agreed with him. So my post included Cuban's thoughts about AI that were shared during an NBA All-Star Technology Summit, as well as a number of relevant excerpts from Gartner's top strategic predictions for 2018 and beyond. A reminder that the more things change, the more they stay the same. Here's a couple quotes. The first one from Cuban. "I personally think there's going to be a greater demand in 10 years for liberal arts majors than there were for programming majors and maybe even engineering," he said. "When the data is all being spit out for you, options are being spit out for you, you need a different perspective in order to have a different view of the data," said Cuban. Now, a little bit of ice cold water-ish from Gartner. "Proponents of digital will need to take a hard look at what they are prepared to undertake. Dreams of AI, blockchain, Internet of Things, proficiency, etc. will depend on making sure barriers to success are minimized. Enterprises seeking to keep up with technological innovation will need to understand when those innovations are likely to cause more problems than they solve." Gartner. Now, it feels like yesterday, but at the same time, a gazillion years ago, that I wrote that piece. And while reading and reflecting on it this afternoon, I started thinking about how early we are in the post-ChatGPT era of this wave of AI, but how inspiring it is to think about what's on the horizon, near-term horizon, and of course, longer term. Gartner isn't wrong. There are certainly trade-offs to consider, but the AI glass being half full has been and always will be my stance. While I'm a sucker for slogans such as "impossible is nothing" by Adidas or "think different" by Apple, aka Steve Jobs. Sorry, had to kind of mention that. I'm definitely here to continue interviewing the deeply technical rock stars leading these companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI during my 12-minute fireside chats, which apparently have been pretty well received. Their passion for the problems they're solving, their technical chops, and their ambition, really how much they love it, is super inspiring. And I know I'm not just speaking for myself here. So more to come on that, and embedded in this post here, I'll make sure that I have the link to the 2017 Mark Cuban post in the comments, just in case you want to read something and get some kicks. Have a great day. Talk soon.